Alright, we're back at it again with another box. Alfred will explain to it.
Yeah, it's a 18-inch box. It's gonna be 43.5 by 2 feet by 19.5 by 3/4 for a caddy for 2006, right?
2001 or 2003.
What's it?
2003. It's Cadillac.
Yeah, 18. I don't know, that's a big box.
It's a big box for an 18, but
Man, I wish I had carpet, man. Oh.
paint it blue.
I don't want to buy paint. I was gonna buy was AutoZone. It was $10 for the paint. It was too much.
Alright, explain to us what you about to do next.
I'm about to cut for the airflow. I still gotta cut the 45s and all that. What else? Sure, almost done. Not that much. And I'm gonna put two baffles on the front. Yeah, 2 baffles. I still got this whole sheet of wood. Still a lot of wood left.
So you'll need it.
Probably like half just for the baffle. That's about it. We'll do another day, another video. We're almost there.
Cadillac DeVille. Damn. Alright.
I wish I had carpet. I look badass.
Alright, we'll come back on the next one.
Yeah, next one.